This is question 26, have a go. Okay, so this is really it's a probability tree question, but we're just going to select the three specific branches that we want. Now we've got to work out the probability she takes exactly £2.50. Okay, so takes 3 coins from the bag, work out the probability she takes exactly £2.50. So how can you get £2.50? Well, you could get a pound, and then 50, a pound 50p, then a pound, or 50p, a pound, then a pound. That was the key bit. You had to figure that out. So just work your way along each of these coins. Now we know we've got 3 £1 coins and 7 50p pieces. So looking at this first option first, the chances of getting a pound with your first pick is 3 out of 10. Then getting a pound with your second pick, well, it's only £2 coins left now, so it's 2. But remember, it's out of 9. One of the coins is already gone, so that's 2 out of 9. And then thirdly, what's the chance that your third pick will be a 50p? Well, you've still got 7 50p coins, but there are now only 8 coins to choose from. So that's why it's now 7 out of 8. So working that across, remember how you multiply fractions. It's top times top times top, bottom times bottom times bottom. So that gives us an answer. Now what I've done though, I've just done a little bit of simplifying in advance just to make it a little bit easier to do. So I've sort of cancelled down. 2 divided by 10 is basically a 5 on the bottom. 3 over 9 is really 1 over 3. That just makes the cross multiplying easier. So I get 1 lot of 7 is 7. 5 times 3 times 8 is 120. If you haven't done that red bit, it doesn't matter. Just do multiply across the purple bits and you just get a bigger number. So same idea with the second option, pound 50p a pound. The first pound it was 3 out of 10, then a 50p was 7 out of 9, and then a pound would be 2 out of 8, and so on. Well, you'll see that we've got the same 3 numerators and the same 3 denominators, just in a different order. So all 3 of these probabilities are the same. So 7 over 120, 7 over 120, and 7 over 120. Now remember, we don't care which one of these, whether it's this or this or this. Now when it's an or, you do adding. So we add these 3 together, which is 21 over 120, which simplifies to 7 over 40. You did not have to do the simplification. So if you've left it as being something over this really big denominator, or over 120, or over 40, you would still get full marks.